I have taken Windows 10 ISO file to burn it on DVD. This is how you make bootable Windows disk. First of all, take a DVD. Its size should be at least 4 GB. Insert it into DVD drive. This box will open automatically. It is asking how do you want to use this disk, like a USB drive or like a CD DVD player. For it, you have to choose second option, as basically DVD is not meant for like a flash drive. Also, you should not modify your operating system disk. Change disk title. Choose second option. Click on next. This window will open. Leave it. Minimize this window. See, I have a Windows 10 ISO file. Right click on it. Open with Windows Disk Image Burner. This box will open. You must click on here. Then click on Burn. This whole process takes time up to 25 to 30 minutes. I am skipping this process as you will be bored of it if I show you. See, my Windows 10 DVD is ready to boot. I don't know why the title has changed, but it is not a big deal. So that's all in this video. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye YouTube.